Before you dismantle your old window regulator, it is recommendable to take a picture of the inside door. Here is also a drawing of the cable guide. When dismantling the old window regulator, please pay attention to this grommet. It is very important not to remove this connecting bracket. The new window regulator is supplied in a recoiled condition. You have to uncoil it and the cable has to be parallel. First of all, put the cable into the two upper rolls. After that, put it into the lower outer roll. The cable has to be put under tension during this operation. After this, put the cable into the upper middle roll and pull it under tension down into the lower roll. Try to put the cable always under tension when doing this. Do not forget to reinstall the grommet into the lower guide. After that, you have to remove the bracket from the cable. Still, the cable has to be put under tension when doing this. As soon as you have removed the bracket, you can screw the window regulator into the allocated setting. If the cable should be loose, you can still tension it with this roll. This is what happens when you remove the bracket before installation. The cable has to run parallelly on the roll for a correct function.